Hi, my name is Laita Kekiao and my metric number is 12597. Today I will introduce to you claim management systems. During 6 months, I doing my internship at Leadering Technology, Penang. At here, I propose this system because I see that the company is facing the problem in managing the claims. If the employee want to make the claim, the employee need to fill the form to make the claims. Before I introduce to you about the system, I will briefly explain about ERD and Identity Relationship Diagram. ERD is important because from ERD we can know the relationship among the table in the system. This is the table that I have in the system. Admin tables, employee tables, departments, claim and claim type. For employee is the content of the information about employees, which is names, passwords, gender, departments and other information. And department also we contain about the information about the department, same as claim and claim types. Relationship between employee and claim is one to many because one employee can make many claims. And for the employee and departments, one department can have many employees. For example, in account departments can have 5 employees. And next is relationship between claim and claim types. Is for claim type and claim is one to many, which means in one claim type, for example, petrol can have many claims that made by the employees, therefore one to many. And this table is admin, which is admins are not links to other table, but with having admin, it can manage all this table because admin need to add employee that it will insert this information and also add the department and add the claim type. For claim, the admin will approve the claim that made by the employees. Then I will show to you on how I organize my coding in my NetBeans. This is my project, same as with its claim management system. And click here. And then for the first file outside here is the employee side, which is where the employee can see their claim history, check the password, make the claim and edit their profiles. And for admins, all the file inside the admin folder which is here. I doing like this because it's easy for me to detect which file is for admin, which file is for employee. After you know about the idea of this system and how I organize the coding in the NetBeans, so let's move to the system. This is the system that I create to the company, which is claim management system, and this is the user interface that is everyone will see when they come to this system. We have the employee login, employee password recovery, and admin logins. This user interface is simple, which does not need company information like mission, vision, because it is internal use only, which for the leadering technologies employee only. Therefore, it is simple, straight to the main function of this system. Firstly, I will start with employee login. For employee ID and password, employee will get the information from admins. Therefore, for the first time employee logins, they need to change the password because they get the password from the admins. And for this, I will try with existing employee first. After login, the first place that we come out is change password. As we know, the employee get the password from the admin, therefore they can direct change password after I insert the current password, new password and confirm password. I will show this for the first time employee after I finish the admin side. Then I will move to my profile. At here, the employee can change the names, email, mobile number, and other thing, but for the employee code, they cannot change. For example, I change my address to so updates. Employee record updated successfully, so become 18th. Next, I will move to the make claims. For make claim is the claim that the employee wants to make. This is a claim type which have food refreshment, gift, petrol, parking, and tools, vehicle maintenance, and others. So we choose once petrol, amount of and choose the receipt which as evidence. For example, petrol 20 and make a claim. Then this come up claim applied successfully. If the employee want to make other claim, so they can select and insert the data as I insert just now. Then this is claim history. Claim history is the list of the claim that have made by these persons. So you can see approve or reject status. And this all for the employee side. So let's move to the admin part. Employee page is quite simple because their main function is to make the claims. But for employees, they have many functions. Therefore, let's move to the admin page to see what their functions. This is for admin logins. Same like the employee, the first page that the admin will encounter is change password. Therefore, admins can change the password whether they want. Firstly, I will show to you about add departments, add claim types, and add employee because this is the simple function in the admin page. So here is the add departments. For example, I will use cleaner departments. Is so X. Click the add buttons. If it come out like this, department created successfully, which means the admin have successfully add the departments. If the admin wants to edit the departments, can come here manage department. And here is entity 13 entity is mean that 13 departments. Example, this is the latest department that admin X cleaners. For example, if admin want to edit, it can click here the pencil buttons. So, for example, click this. Then department update successfully. And if want to delete, then come here and click this delete buttons and OK. Then it come up department recorded deletes. That means the department have already deleted. Next, let's move to the claim types. Is add claim types. For example, travels and travels descriptions in so then click the add buttons. Same we come up claim type added successfully, and if want to edit, then we come here manage claim types. And this is list of the claim type in these companies. And if you want to edit, click these buttons. For example, overnight stay. Then updates. Updated successfully, and if you want to delete, manage claim types and click these buttons. delete. Do you want to delete? Okay. Then we come up the claim type recorded deleted. Next is for employee. Then add the employee. And at here is where the admin will set the email and password for the employee. It will come out like that is the password, first password, password there and confirm password is not same. And X. Then we come out employee recorded added successfully. If admin want to manage the employee, same like before, manage the employee. And before this, I forgot to explain to you, this list we show based on this 10 entities. So if we show the 10, 1 to 10. If you choose 25, then we come up with 25, but this only has 22 employees. So we use these 10s. And this is list of the employee in the company. 22. Then is the latest person that adds equivariance. And if the admin want to edit this person, so same, click here and edit anything. For example, change this department to sales. And employee recorded successfully. And if want to other thing, then admin can make is here. Add button is mean active and inactive. For example, inactive employee, which means the employee cannot log into this system anymore. So the status will change to inactive. And this is where the admin can see the employee personal report for the claims. So the admin can see the claim that had made by this person. For example, this. So which is for July. Then the report will come up with the employee report, employee name and employee IDs. So the amounts 552. So admin can click here to print the reports. Print the report. Can choose landscape or portraits. Portrait also can. Landscape. So the destination can print this use scanners or save as PDF. For example, I save as PDF. And save. Then admin can come here. So downloads admin file report. So come up like this. I will show to you on how the admin will approve the claim made by the employee. Usually, you have to choose whether to come here or to come here, pending claims. So I will show first for the pending claims. Pending claim is the claim where the admin needs to approve because the status is still pending. The status will change if the admin approve this claim, for example. So admin click here, and for like this, the grand total is 20, but this amount is 50. So if situation like this, the admin can reject this. Checks. So the descriptions why the admin reject this, click submit. So the claim success is rejected. So admin can come here, see rejected claim. This 40% the latest rejects. And we show view detail. It may remain inaccurate amounts. So it's pending claims. And for this, same like pending claim, but this is list the latest claim made by the employee. So example, admin click here. And same like pending claim, just click here and see 23.3 amount is same. Take action, then approve, submit. Then before this is 10, right? Then it come 9 because the admin already see already approved the latest claim. The pop-up number here is not whether approved or not, but the list number of whether the admin already see the detail of the claim or not. Manage claim here is where the admin can see the all claim, pending claim, approved claim, and reject claim. For example, approved claims, we list off all the approved claims. So detail, approve. So the admin remark approve and when the action taken, when the admin approve the claims. All claim is list of all claim whether is approved, reject or pendings. This is on how the admin will approve the claim made by the employees. First come to pending claims, then click the view detail and see the receipt and check the amount. If same, then click take action and approve. Or come here, click the here, same like that, click here, see the receipt and amount same, then click action, then approve. After admin approve the claim made by the employees, admin also can see the reports, the monthly report or the weekly report. This report is based on the date selected by the admin. For example, the admin choose for the September report. And this is the report for the September. We show all the employee. For the personal claim report, I showed before at the managed employee sites. And this report will come out of the claim for this month for the all employee in this company. Okay, print this page. So destination can save as PDFs or direct print from the printers. So total claim 10766 and the employee names. This report is important to the company because account executive can detect the total claim for this month by see this amount. So for this September, the employee has made the claim for 1776.48. Next, let's move to the dashboard page. At dashboard page, the admin can see the total registered employee, which is 22, list of department is 12, and list of claim type is 6. And here is the latest claim application with list of latest claim made by the employee. For the status change here, because we approved the claim here pending. So the latest claim we have already approved before, and this rejects all that. That is the dashboard. And next, let's move to the change password because I already showed to you but never test before. So let's try. Change. Then the password successfully changed. Then we try to sign up and log in again. Log in. And log in with the new password. So then that means the password changed and we try to log in and it can, so that means the admin successfully changed the passwords. So now for the new employee that I mentioned before, that's for the new employee. This employee, this is the new employee, so we get this email and the password before email is called Wavens. So we try for this employee for the first try logins. So then successfully log in for the first time, then this employee need to change the password. Oh, change. Then try to sign up and log in again. So successfully log in, that means the password can be changed. So from what I show for the admin side, we can see that the admin have many functions, therefore their page is quite complicated than the employee side. The last part that I will show to you is employee password recovery. This is page where the employee forgot their password, so employee just need to key in the employee ID and email ID. If they also forgot for these two information, they can get this information from the admins. For example, I will try for the latest employee that I insert before. We will this employee ID is ET022 and email ID. Then change your passwords. Change. Then employee needs to try to log in. Which employee logins? Email ID. With the new passwords. Then successful login, which means the employee has recovered the password, so which can log in with the new passwords. In conclusion, having this system can be a great helpful for the account executive. This because before this, if the employee want to make the claims, they need to fill in the form and submit the claim to the account executive, and then the account executive will manually approve it by checks the amount in the form and in the receipt whether it's the same, if still then approve it. And by having this system, the account executive just need to log in the admin space and see the list with the claim that they need to approve, then see the amount in the form and the receipt is same then approved. And with the data also, the system will come up with the reports. So it's very helpful for the account executive as they can reduce the time in approve the claims, check the claim one by one, and to come up with the monthly reports. So I hope this system can be a helpful tool for the account department in managing the claims. That's all for me. Thank you.